Hey everybody, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take you on a tour of one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Badlander package from Tuscany. This is a really cool truck inside and out, and is finished off in a beautiful dark red exterior paint color. If we go ahead and take a look at the front end right now, we have a body colored insert right in the center of this grille, as well as a body colored Chevy bow tie. This has a custom powder coated mesh grille design and a body colored front bumper. There's also a 20-inch LED bar in the center with Badlander underneath that, and we get a set of LED fog lights with your metal tow hooks. This has a really cool design for these headlights, finished off with a carbon fiber design on the interior of them, and we get the Tuscany hood up top, finished off in two-tone. Has the satin black with more of that mesh on the top, looks really aggressive for this truck. And then if you look at the front portion of these side fenders, they have a really cool cutout to just add to the aggression of this truck, and that leads its way nicely to the smooth body colored fender flares that even have more of the mesh in the back side. We have the Badlander logo up top with more of that mesh, and then this truck is sitting on a 6-inch BDS suspension lift kit. It has a really nice stance to it, and the truck is sitting on a set of 35-inch BF Goodrich tires wrapping a 20-inch wheel. It's two-tone, finished off in gloss black and machined silver. And then behind the wheel you can see a lot of these suspension components, as well as the powder-coated red control arms. And being a lifted truck, it's nice to have easy access to the interior. We have a set of functional rock rails that also double as power deploying side steps. So all I have to do is grab the door handle and open one of the doors, and they automatically deploy, making it extremely easy to enter and exit the truck. And then once you close the door, they're going to automatically retract. If we move our way to the side now, you can see of course the same wheel and tire combination with the smooth fender flare, and we get the Rocky Ridge shocks in the back. And now at the back of this truck, we have a really cool design for these LED taillights, integrated side step right into the bumper, and it's finished off in more of that body color. I really love the dual exhaust with these custom powder coated tips. Let's take a quick listen to this 8-cylinder engine. And then right in the center we have your trailer hitch, as well as another Badlander emblem, and then Chevrolet stamped into the tailgate. There's an LED light as well as the backup camera, and then with one press of this electronic button, it'll automatically open up the tailgate, and it soft opens like you can see. And then on the inside we have a spray-in bed liner with many tow hooks, as well as a power outlet and an LED light. And then this tailgate doesn't weigh anything. With one hand I can easily close it up. Now on the interior of this Badlander Silverado, this has a really nice interior finished off with black leather and contrast stitching. You'll notice a lot of this cool carbon fiber design all around the interior, on the steering wheel, the center, and then on the center console as well. This truck has some nice amenities like heated seats and the touchscreen infotainment system right here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Very user friendly. I like how everything is set up, and we get a sunroof up top. One of my favorite features are these really nice seats. They have Badlander embossed into the leather up top, and they're finished in a two-tone leather with micro suede, and you can see more of the stitching. This truck also has a nice set of gauges with aluminum surrounds with the Badlander logo on them, and it looks really clean. We have the button for the heated steering wheel right on the left side of the wheel, and then your button for that 20-inch LED bar, and we do have power front seats. This truck is based off of a crew cab, so we have the full 4-door configuration. These open up nice and wide to make it really easy to enter and exit the rear. And then these seats are finished off just like the front, finished off with the two-tone, you know, the micro suede, contrast stitching, and all the black leather. I love how the Silverados have this door that opens up to allow extra storage in these backrests. And then one thing very cool, you can lift the front of these seats up for even more storage space, and you do have some nice amenities back here like climate vents, USB ports, and cup holders, and you get storage on the back sides of these front seats. Alright, so we are setting off now in this Badlander Silverado. First and foremost, that 8-cylinder sounds really good from that exhaust. I like the way it sounds under acceleration. But now getting my bearings in this truck, we got the BDS suspension lift kit, really nice quality brand. And as we're driving now, this is extremely smooth and comfortable feeling. I really like with these Tuscany trucks, they are extremely solid feeling. That's one of the biggest things you're gonna notice. I'm on a pretty bumpy road, and yet this truck is driving exactly like a stock truck. I really like how you're not sacrificing to get the awesome lift kit. And on top of that, the truck is actually backed by a 3-year warranty from Tuscany, and of course Chevrolet is backing it, being a brand new truck. So I like how you get the best of both worlds. You get to buy a brand new truck, and yet it's highly modified with a lot of really cool features, making it look super cool. And then getting up to some speed now, we have the oversized tires, and of course that 8-cylinder sounds really good. Another really cool feature with this truck is the fact that the speedometer is actually already recalibrated. That way you're not going to have to worry about the differences in speed with the oversized tires. So I like how from Tuscany and from the dealership, you're buying this truck ready to go 100%. You have nothing to worry about. And then as we are driving in this truck, I love the view out. You are definitely high up compared to every other truck on the road. The hood looks super aggressive in front of me. Fantastic visibility being a pickup truck. And then taking a nice sweeping turn. The truck, like I said, it rides like a stock vehicle. It's really confident, inspiring, and composed. There's no loose ends with the lift kit. Everything is really put together super nicely, which is something I really like. And then this particular Silverado is a really nice spec. I like the interior like you saw. It's really comfortable in here. I like how the seats, you can easily get into a good spot. Heated steering wheel feels really nice right now. Armrests are in a good place, and the seats are really comfortable and they hug you well. So it's a truck that you can drive for the long haul, rack up some miles on it, and you can look good doing it because you have the awesome Tuscany package all around. The Badlander especially is a good looking truck. It's very clean looking. I like the smooth fender flares and just how everything blends seamlessly to really make this a bold looking truck. So there's a good look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with the Badlander package from Tuscany. This is a really cool truck inside and out. It really stands out on the road. If you have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, check out all of our contact information down in the description below.